30 days to diagnosis, what you need to know to save your life. Hey there, welcome to Healthism. A silent killer could be lurking inside you. Imagine waking up, going about your daily life, just like any other day. But then, over time, you notice something isn't quite right. Fatigue, strange pains, maybe difficulty breathing. You ignore it, thinking, it's nothing, I'm just tired. But what if that's the first sign of a condition that could change your life forever? In the US alone, 1 in 3 people will experience a misdiagnosis in their lifetime. In India, nearly 5.8 million people die every year due to a delay in diagnosis. What if that delay is happening to you right now? 30 days to diagnosis. What you need to know to save your life. This is your wake-up call. Today, we're diving into the life-saving journey of a diagnosis. What you need to know, what signs to look for, and why the next 30 days could be the most important in your life. Meet Sarah. She lives in New York, works a full-time job, and has 2 kids. Like many, she ignored her symptoms for weeks. It wasn't until she collapsed at work that she was rushed to the hospital. Within 24 hours, Sarah was diagnosed with stage 3 ovarian cancer. Doctors told her if she had waited even a few weeks longer, her chances of survival would have dropped by 50%. And then there's Rajesh, a busy professional in Mumbai. He too ignored his symptoms: unexplained weight loss, tiredness, and occasional chest pain. He chalked it up to stress. By the time he sought help, he was diagnosed with advanced heart disease. If Rajesh had seen a doctor earlier, his condition could have been managed, maybe even reversed. The power of early diagnosis. Both Sarah and Rajesh had something in common. They waited. And that's a risk too many of us take. Early diagnosis isn't just about peace of mind. It's about saving lives. The key to treating any illness successfully is catching it early. For conditions like cancer, heart disease, or diabetes, the first 30 days after symptoms appear can mean the difference between life and death. But how do you know when it's time to stop waiting and start acting? The first 7 days. Pay attention to your body. Let's break down the first crucial 7 days. This is when your body may start sending signals, whether it's a persistent headache, sudden weight loss, fatigue that won't go away, or changes in your skin or digestion. Pay attention. These could be the first signs of something serious. Rajesh felt that occasional chest pain, but ignored it. Sarah felt bloated for weeks, but thought it was just stress. If something feels wrong, it's time to listen. By the 2nd week, if your symptoms persist, it's time to consult a doctor. In both the US and India, primary care physicians can be your first line of defense. This isn't about jumping to conclusions, but it's about being proactive. A simple blood test, an ECG, or an ultrasound can reveal what's really going on. And if there's nothing wrong, you get peace of mind. But if there is, you've just given yourself a fighting chance. Now we're at day 15. This is when diagnostic testing becomes crucial. Whether it's imaging, blood tests, or a biopsy, this is where the mystery starts to unravel. In Sarah's case, an ultrasound revealed a suspicious mass. For Rajesh, a stress test showed severe heart blockage. These tests gave them answers, and more importantly, a treatment plan. Finally, the diagnosis. By now, doctors should have enough data to make an informed decision. Whether it's cancer, heart disease, or even something less serious, the key is you know. And with that knowledge, you can act. In both Sarah's and Rajesh's cases, early detection allowed them to begin treatment immediately. And though their journeys won't be easy, they have a fighting chance. So, what's the takeaway? In 30 days, you can go from living in uncertainty to taking control of your life. Ignoring symptoms won't make them go away. Acting on them just might save your life. Sarah and Rajesh made it because they acted when it mattered. If you're experiencing unusual symptoms, don't wait. Your next 30 days could be the most important of your life. Your health is in your hands. Act now. Was the video helpful? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more informative videos like this one. Before you leave, you might see other helpful videos pop up on your screen. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, Watch both to keep learning with us. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and bye.